welcome back to another day trading with Dre. I guess that rhymed. I think it's like 9:15. It's 9:08. At 9:30, we got the New York Stock Exchange getting ready to open. So as of right now, I'm getting myself ready. Just took a shower, about to go crazy. Get my morning routine all good. So far for the week, we're definitely in profit. We're doing pretty good when it comes to the account challenge, 100K account. But today it is Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. Today it is, no, is today Wednesday? Today's Friday? Ain't no way today's Friday. I'm tripping, today's Friday. So it's the last day of the week. Okay. I think the main thing that got me a little bit messed up is I didn't trade Monday. Okay, that makes sense. I didn't trade Monday. Okay, that makes more sense. Oh, that's January. My calendar in my room, the one that I have like all the economic calendar news, it is from January 2024. That is not February. That is why everything is fucked up. We're about to be getting into the trading session soon. I like to get on 9:30. That's when most of the volume comes in. If you know me, you know I trade NAS 100. I'm trading US 30. The best times, free game, is going to be from 9 a.m., 10 a.m., maybe 11, depending on the time of the year. And also another thing I want to be able to show you guys, if you didn't watch the video on how I plan to make $1 million at 21 years old, I kind of just made a blueprint and I'm going to show you guys. And I can just look at the plan. What you guys got to understand is if you want to be a millionaire, if you want to be successful, you need to have a plan. How am I going to get to the million? Through trading. How? Funded accounts, personal accounts. How else am I going to make money besides trading? Because I can make a whole bunch of money just from trading. But look, trading, I need to bring attention to my trading so that I can bring people to my YouTube that you're here to be able to make them watch ads to get paid, have them join my VIP so they can learn how to trade, live trade with me, sell my course to teach people how to make money trading, and sell mentorship to teach people from 0 to 100 to how to make money trading. And this is all I really need to do every single day. Just make sure I focus on each individual thing, grow each individual thing. Focus on growing my funded accounts, personal accounts, ads, VIP, course, mentorship, just 1% a day, so that one day we'll be at $1 million per year. But it's about that time. Let's get to the charts. Let's get this money. Let's end the week off right. Nah, you don't got me to bro. I like the effort. Hope everything else drops and 30 just goes high. Matter of fact, nah, you're in longs. Alright, we just got TP2 hit. We're up about 100 points. We're up 500. We took 2 L's, so right now we're break even. But ideally, if we run this high of 38882, at that previous day's high, that is where I'm getting all out, and that'll be the last trade. Ideally, I'm still looking for the dollar. I want to see the dollar keep pushing lower and make a run for these lows right over here, and that should ideally lead us to run these highs. Nothing crazy. I'm ideally waiting for it to run this high at 3888987, and that's going to make back all the losses, because as of right now for the day, we should be at roughly break even. Yeah, we're up $29 because we took 2 L's, but if this trade fully plays out, we're going to make it all back. And yeah, I got a nice little vlog coming for you guys today, so let's just let this do what it do. Alright, this shit is almost up there. Almost up there. We about to go to a nature preserve, go look at some houses, and hopefully this shit can hit TP. Hit TP while we on the road. See if this is gonna hit TP. We had a big ass retracement, but we're almost there. That's why I thought we was about to hit it. That's why I got the camera out. We about to say.
Lines open door access line. My name is Angel. What can I do for you today?
How you doing? I'm at a open door house right now, and it says unavailable when I go to unlock it. Like I already scheduled the tour and everything. It was just saying like unavailable, and then it gave me the number to call. 15 minutes. The second you look away, you get killed. But with that being said, TP got hit, as you can see. Let it focus on there, man. US 30 finally pushed higher. We ended up getting a mean ass retracement. I thought that shit was run, so I was only up like 250, but I ended up closing at like 810, and then then with the 2 losses and a win, it's at 307 for the day. That's fine. It's at 1.8 on the account total. But that shit took hours. I don't even know how long that took. I took the trade at 10 a.m. I took it at 10 a.m. It's 2, so that was about 4 hours of waiting. But it's all done with. Alright, you can end it back at the crib. But look at what happened after the fact, after we took profit. Look at this. You can't make that up. Look at what happened. But as you can see, where we ended up getting out at the previous high was the best case. Because afterwards, it died. And it would have stopped us all the way at break even. And that trade would have been essentially just a whole bunch of waiting for nothing. Top Step more than likely didn't update the credentials yet, but I can go to the TradeEvade account, so I can show you all the information and all the results from today. I wish I didn't take that. Okay, so I took 3 trades today. The first trade was just an L on NAS 100. I was just wrong on that trade. That was fine. The second trade I took was the longs on US 30 at the 4-hour for value gap. I got stopped out with the 10 o'clock wick, and price continued to play out in the same way. So then the same trade I took right here, the trade that I just took, that was my second trade, but it got stopped out and then it continued to play out. So unfortunately, I did take a little bit of a loss before we got the full win, but it is what it is. So as you can see right now, TradeEvade, you can see the account metrics right here. We're up about 1.8%. But if I show you the results from today, you can see we had a total profit of about $321, but after commissions and everything, the day ended with $307 in profit, and that was with 3 trades. So 2 trades, I took a $250 loss, a $250 loss, and then the last trade, which was an $800 win, and I netted $300 on top of that, which is why we have the importance of having good risk reward. If I'm risking $1, I'm ideally going to target $2 to $3. If I'm risking 100, targeting 200 to 300. That's just what I do every single time. And in this trade, I actually caught a little bit more than that. But you can see what ended up happening. Price eventually ended up dying down. So that's why we take partials. But nonetheless, it was a great day. So we're just going to end it off right. I'm going to get back to editing. Yo. But right now, I just dropped my girl off at work. I got to go drop off a few things. I got to go to Walmart and get some packages because I'm about to ship some things off so I can get the money. And yeah, we in the Benz. I have a little car POV, car little ride. If you guys want more car videos, just let me know. Just let me know. But I took a little bit more trades than I ideally would have wanted to take, in my opinion. But at the end of the day, I did come out successful, so I do gotta just be thankful for that. And I just gotta be able to look at what I did and try to learn from it. Because if I'm not trying to learn from it, then I really don't care to get better or to improve. At the end of the day, the main thing that we got to do is look to improve from our mistakes and look to improve 1% every single day, and that's only comes with experience and time. All right, so we got them all packaged up. Got the 2 packages. Now I'm about to go take these to the post office and get right into it. And I ain't gonna lie, from selling these things and how easy it's been just to sell things, I ain't gonna lie, I just realized I didn't even need to buy tape. Well, okay. But the one thing that I've realized from doing like this selling little items on eBay, this is kind of nice. My man's Martin. You guys probably know Martin. He's the one who told me to start selling stuff on eBay, and I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like the idea. We're gonna see what I can do. My main thing is being able to find products to sell that I can get for a low enough cost to where it makes sense to be able to do it like as a side hustle. But we're gonna see. It's just an idea as of right now, but we're about to head to the office, post office. Let's get to it. Have a short little video while I roll real quick. Roll that Zaza. I just want to be able to talk to you guys. So mainly, I want to be able to talk about funding. So as you guys know, as of right now, I am taking a challenge with Top Step, 100K challenge, and the goal is 6,000. So if you've been living under a rock, or you're just new to trading, funding is essentially, imagine you have an investor. An investor knows that you could trade, they know you can make money trading, they know you can make a sustainable percentage of money over time, so they give you money to trade for them. In result, you get to keep a percentage of the profit. So in this case, Top Step will be able to give me a 100K account. They're not giving me $100,000, but they're giving me a 100K account with the leverage of a $100,000 account. And I have about $3,000 to be able to risk. So in reality, I have a $3,000 account. So you may be asking, why would I use a funded account when I could trade my own money? You're not wrong. I would rather do both. I would rather trade funded and trade personal account. So if you didn't watch my video on how I'm going to make $1 million at 21 years old, I would recommend go watching that video because I talk a little bit on that concept right there. Because honestly, the best bet would be able to do both. That's how you're gonna make the most money. But at the end of the day, not everyone has $3,000, $6,000, $9,000 just to put to the side into a trading account, just to put into an account to potentially lose it. I would rather pay a couple $100s to get access to a couple thousand to then make a couple thousand to rinse and repeat. It just makes more sense to start from nothing. Like, you don't necessarily, trading I would say isn't a game where you start from zero and make 100 or start from zero and make $1 million. But honestly, with the way the funding companies are, you could pay a very small percentage of the barrier to entry and you could be able to get access. You'll be able to get access to a lot of money, fortunately, which is very fortunate. But the main thing I always tell you guys, you got to make sure you just focus on the skill set. That's the main thing. The funding accounts are always going to be here. Trading is always going to be here. They're always going to have people that want to make money. As long as you have a high income skill and you have a skill set that you can make money, a skill set you can teach, a skill set that is hard, people are going to be willing to give you money, especially if they know what you're capable of. That's why it's very important to get experience. It's very important to journal all your progress, because at the end of the day, you need to know what your track record is. You got to know what is the likelihood of you winning trades. You got to know what is the chance of you winning trades. You have to have all your numbers. As a trader, you got to make the numbers make sense. And if you're not measuring your trades and all of your results, then it's not being managed. So yeah, but that's why I'm going with the funded route. At the end of the day, I'm going to be documenting the whole journey. And for all the trades that I'm taking on the funded challenge, I'm taking them all inside the VIP trading network. So all the trades that I'm taking on the account are the same trades that I'm calling in the chat, the same ones that I'm taking in the chat. So if you're not in the VIP trading network, make sure you join, because honestly, you're just missing out. I've won the last 3 days in a row. Doesn't mean I won every single trade, but I've ended the last 3 days in profit with money made. 1,500 in 3 days with a 90% profit split. I'm still clearing almost 1,000. That's in 3 days. That's more than you're gonna make at your job. That's more than you're gonna make trading your time for money. I'm not trading my time for money. I'm using my skill. I'm using my knowledge, my mindset, my skills to make me money. I'm getting paid based off the value that I'm giving, not based off the time that I'm giving. That's the main thing you want to be able to do to make money. That's the main thing you want to do to be able to be successful. Stop trading your time for money. You're not going to get rich trading your time for money, because at the end of the day, you're never going to get paid what you're actually worth when you're getting paid for your time. Businesses, corporations, and all of them, they're never going to pay you what you're actually worth. They're going to pay you enough to make money off you. I forget what the number was, but it was like Amazon makes about $330,000 a year based off of one employee, and they pay those employees like $30,000, $40,000 a year. So really think about the ROI. It's not in our best interest to be working for other people. Yes, it's going to be harder to build a business, to work for yourself, to learn at scale. It's going to be harder and it's going to take time. You're going to struggle. You're going to have failures, but it's going to be worth it. You got to think long term. People think too short term. They're not thinking 5-10 years. In 5-10 years, I'm not going to be working for nobody. I'm never going to be working for anybody ever again. Appreciate everyone for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the links in the description if you want to join the VIP trading network, where we trade live. You guys get our signals live and you get to trade with us live, get that one-on-one experience live. Make sure you check the link in the description. The free trading course that'll teach you everything you need to know to get the basics of trading is also in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the next vlog coming up, and we're gonna have a good week. Let's have a good one.